Harmattan, characterized by dry, dusty winds and significant temperature fluctuations, can create environmental stress for poultry and lead to respiratory issues. Here's how it impacts poultry. 1. Dust and airborne particles. The Harmattan season brings a high concentration of dust and particulate matter into the air. Poultry birds inhale these particles, which irritate the respiratory tract, leading to coughing, sneezing, and increased mucus production. This dust can also carry pathogens, increasing the risk of respiratory infections. 2. Dry air and low humidity. Dry air during Harmattan can cause dehydration and dry out the mucous membranes in the bird's respiratory systems, reducing their ability to filter pathogens effectively. This weakens their respiratory defenses, making them more susceptible to infections like infectious bronchitis and Newcastle disease. 3. Temperature fluctuation often brings significant variations between daytime and nighttime temperature. These fluctuations stress poultry birds, weakening their immune systems and making them prone to respiratory infections like chronic respiratory disease (CRD) caused by Mycoplasma gallisepticum. 4. Exposure to pathogens and temperature stress can exacerbate the spread of common respiratory pathogens such as avian influenza virus Mycoplasma gallisepticum Escherichia coli, leading to colobacillosis. 5. Poor ventilation during Harmattan. Poultry farmers often close coops to reduce cold drafts, inadvertently reducing ventilation. Poor air circulation leads to the buildup of ammonia and other noxious gases from droppings, irritating the respiratory system further. Preventive measures. Housing. Use curtains or tarpaulins to regulate temperature while ensuring adequate ventilation. Dust-proof the poultry house as much as possible. Regular cleaning. Reduce dust accumulation by keeping the environment clean and using dust-suppressing materials like wood shavings. Humidity control. Use water sprinklers or humidifiers to maintain optimal humidity levels in the poultry house. Boost immunity. Provide multivitamins and electrolytes in the drinking water. Vaccinate birds against common respiratory diseases. Supplemental feeding. Offer a balanced diet with adequate nutrients to help birds withstand environmental stress. Regular monitoring. Check birds daily for early signs of respiratory distress, coughing, nasal discharge, and isolate affected ones. By implementing these measures, you can minimize Harmattan's impact on your poultry's respiratory. Follow us now on all our social media platforms for more educative contents like this. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.